You think love is magic. You think it is destiny. But a dark psychologist knows the truth. Love is just a chemical defect in the brain that can be engineered. Seduction has nothing to do with beauty, and it has nothing to do with luck. It is a game of psychological warfare. The goal is not to find a partner. The goal is to create an addiction so strong that they cannot breathe without you. Today, we decode the forbidden laws of dark seduction. We will show you how manipulators bypass logic and hack directly into the human heart. Welcome to the art of obsession. Step number 1. Create the void. You cannot seduce someone who is perfectly happy. You cannot fill a cup that is already full. First, you must find, or create, a hole in their soul. The master seducer listens for complaints. My life is boring. Nobody understands me. I feel lonely. This is your entry point. You must validate their pain. Become the only source of relief in their world. Slowly, you isolate them from others, not by force, but by making everyone else seem boring compared to you. You become their drug, and the rest of the world becomes gray. Step number 2. Become their reflection. Humans are all narcissists. We are in love with ourselves. The quickest way to make someone trust you is to become exactly like them. If they are sad, you are sad. If they are excited, you are excited. Copy their body language. Use their words. Mirror their breathing. When they look at you, they should see the perfect version of themselves. This creates a false sense of soulmate connection. They will think, finally, someone who understands me. But they are not falling in love with you. They are falling in love with their own reflection. Step number 3. The addiction. This is the most cruel and effective technique in existence. If you give someone love 100% of the time, they will get bored. To create obsession, you must use intermittent reinforcement. Be warm, loving, and intense for 3 days. Then, suddenly become cold, distant, unavailable. Do not answer their texts immediately. Their brain will panic. What did I do wrong? Do they still love me? The moment they are about to give up, you give them warmth again. This spike of dopamine creates a biological addiction. They are no longer a partner. They are a gambler pulling the slot machine, waiting for the jackpot. Step number 4. Never finish the story. The human brain is obsessed with unfinished puzzles. This is called the Zeigarnik Effect. Never give yourself away completely. Always keep a part of your life hidden in the shadows. Be vague about your past. Be unpredictable about your future. When you are an open book, you are readable and disposable. But when you are a mystery, you occupy their thoughts 24 hours a day. They will obsess over you simply because they cannot figure you out. Seduction is not about romance. It is about power. Once you possess their mind, you own their reality. But remember, when you break a heart, make sure you do not cut your hands on the pieces. This is the hell pattern. Subscribe and master the game.